Hello guys, and welcome back to another cryptocurrency related video. My name is Joe, and today we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency crash, and I'm also going to be financing my Binance account with fiat currency. So news came out today that South Korea is thinking about banning trading and selling of all cryptocurrencies within South Korea. Now this has caused a scare in the market, making the market cap go from 697 billion to just under 500 billion in a single day. Now the reasoning behind this is that South Korea plays a large role in the trading and market share of cryptocurrency, so this announcement has scared investors and they've started to cash out and take their money out of the cryptocurrency space for the time being. So all the selling of these coins has caused almost every coin on the market to crash by double-digit percentage points. Now for someone like me who believes in cryptocurrency being a massive part of our financial future, this is a day where I want to actually buy coins. So I use a website called CanadianBitcoins.com to buy all of my cryptocurrency in Canadian dollars and have them sent directly to a Bitcoin address within about a 24-hour span. Now, I do this because, one, I was banned from Coinbase and I'm unsure why. It happened during my verification process. I sent in my ID and I guess they didn't like it, so they banned me. Another reason I use this website is that they take bill payments, so I can pay for cryptocurrency just like I'm paying off my credit card, and this is extremely convenient for me. I can just log into my bank account and within 3 clicks pay this company and receive my cryptocurrency once they receive my payment. So while the markets are low, I'm going to buy about $100 Canadian worth of Bitcoin off of the Canadian Bitcoins website, and then I'm going to fund the rest on Binance using the coin I already have in my Exodus wallet. So we head over to funds, deposit and withdrawals. We scroll down until we see Bitcoin. Now don't do Bitcoin Gold or Bitcoin Cash because that will not work. We're going to hit deposit. So we're depositing onto Binance's website. We're going to hit copy on our address. Go over to the Canadian Bitcoins website. We're going to select bill payment. We're going to select buy now because the prices are very low and I want to get that guaranteed rate. We're going to hit $100 and we're going to paste our address and validate it. We're going to hit continue. Now I have just created an order on CanadianBitcoins.com. Now what I'm going to do is go over to my bank account and make a bill payment just like I'm going to pay for my credit card. You can see they're listed as Direct World, and I'll probably cover up the account number here just in case. But essentially, I'll just pay them from my bank account and they will receive my payment in about a day, but I've already got this guaranteed rate that I will receive my Bitcoin at. Alright guys, so I just completed my Tangerine bill payment and I sent the Canadian Bitcoins website $100, so I should receive my Bitcoin in my Binance account over the next 24 hours or so. Now what I forgot is that I wasn't recording when I was sending my Bitcoin from my Exodus wallet, so I'm actually going to send a little bit of Dash just so I can show you the process of funding your Binance account and not pay that $27 Bitcoin fee that I just paid to send $400 worth of Bitcoin to my Binance account. So we're going to go over to funds and deposit and withdrawals on Binance while you're signed in. And you're going to scroll down until you see the coin that you wish to deposit. So I've got a little bit of Dash here. And we're going to hit copy on our send address. We're going to go over to here. I have 315 in Dash. The fees are very low on Dash. They're only 2 cents, so I can send them back and forth if I want. I can hit paste here, Control V. We'll send, I don't know, $25. Our fee is 4 cents, much better than Bitcoin, and we hit send. Here we go. And that should show up in my deposit history on our Binance account within a few minutes after all the confirmations have gone through on Binance. So while we're waiting for those deposits to show up on Binance, let's talk a little bit about the cryptocurrency crash and what I think about it. Now, crashes like this happen roughly 4 times a year in the cryptocurrency space, and they usually happen on the quarter mark, which is a little bit weird, but that's just how it seems to work. Now, we had a really bad crash just like this at the end of December, so this one's quite premature to be one of those 4 crashes that normally happens in cryptocurrency. But traditionally, regulators have always scared people away from Bitcoin and from cryptocurrencies simply because there's a chance that if you're living in a country and all of a sudden that Bitcoin that you own is illegal, maybe there's no way to get it back to your local currency. So when times get scary like this and regulators start coming after cryptocurrency, people who have their foot only half in the door or kind of don't understand cryptocurrency and all the technology behind it, they tend to back out and leave. They tend to sell all their cryptocurrency off, which is what we're seeing here. But I can almost guarantee that within a week, all these charts are going to be green again. We're going to have a upshift, back up, and correct on almost all of these coins. The only thing that would really stop all these charts from going back up and correcting when we've just had such a large dump in price would be some more FUD. Say like a US regulator also started talking about banning cryptocurrencies or going after ICOs again. That would be the only thing that would really stop the prices from recorrecting back to a more stable level. So guys, I'd be pretty confident to buy some altcoins right now, which is what I plan on doing. It'll just depend on how fast I can get the funds in. And I also want to make a video for you guys of me actually buying on Binance so you can see the whole process behind it and understand exactly what you're doing when you do it yourself. Anyway guys, back on the history page on my Binance account, you can see that we have 2 pending deposits going into my account right now. And once these have confirmed, I'll be able to start using the funds on my Binance account. So as you can see guys, my estimated value on my account has gone up and my deposit was successful. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. If you have any questions about depositing any coins onto Binance or any questions about CanadianBitcoins.com, feel free to leave a comment down below or contact me on Twitter. Other than that guys, there'll be links down below to Binance.com and CanadianBitcoins.com so you can try them out yourself. If you didn't see my awesome video on Binance yesterday, I sign up and I talk about all the advantages of using Binance and actually how to get a discount on your trading fees. So I'd highly recommend that video. Now, if you guys didn't know already, I actually have a Facebook page. You can just search in the top bar on Facebook or check the link down below to like my page and follow all the content I post on there. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have yourself a great day.